Now suppose you have loaded your data to Power BI. And now when you work on it, you realize that you have to make some changes to your data. You have to apply some transformation. So how do you open your Power Query editor from Power BI? Let's look at that. It's very easy. Just go to Home, then click on this Transform Data, and here you have the option Transform Data, which will open a Power Query editor window. Now, in Query Editor, we discussed about text, we discussed about numbers. Now let's discuss about the data types. It's very important to understand the data types. Otherwise, you may not be able to get the exact report that you're looking for in Power BI. Sometimes what happens is, whenever we connect our data with a database engine and when we are trying to fetch data, sometimes what happens is the source data type gets converted to some other form of data type. For example, numbers get converted to text, date may get converted to numbers, and so on. Why that happens is because when you load data into Power BI desktop, it attempts to convert a particular data type into one that provides efficient storage and calculations and better visualization. For example, if you're trying to import decimal numbers from Excel, Power BI desktop may convert it into whole number because that is more efficient for storing integers. So how can I fix these issues? So for example, if I select this product key column and go to transform, and then if I go to data type, you can see all kinds of data types listed over here. One good feature of this is whenever you select a column, the data type in that column is automatically identified. For example, for this column, you can see that the data type is whole number. If I select product name, it shows the data type as text. If I scroll to the right and if I select this product cost column, it shows decimal number as the data type. Now sometimes what happens is the data type that has been automatically identified is not the actual data type that is present in that column. So let me quickly jump to my customers data set. And if I scroll to my right and go to the annual income column, you can see that it has been identified as fixed decimal number data type. Here, if I want to, I can select a different data type. Suppose that column is having date entries, then I can select date. If time, then I can select time, and likewise I can select the data type that is best suited for that column. So that is one way of modifying the data type for a particular column. Now another way is, if you look over here, you must have noticed some notations in the column header. Now if you click over here, you will get the same options to modify your data type. So by looking at the column header also, you can come to know what data type it contains. So ABC denotes text entries in that column. 1, 2, 3 means whole number entries in that particular column. And if you go to the products dataset once again, you can see that 1.2 over here means decimal entries. So this is a way that you can identify and fix the data types for your data in Power Query Editor. Okay, so let's go here and click on close and apply. And now we are back to our Power BI desktop.